Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will make a flat circle. Now to realize this circle, I already have a loop formed here and I will chain 5 for this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I will go in my very first loop here, yarn over my chain, and I have my small ring here, so make chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, bring the loop in, circle, this will be counted here, yarn over, it will start looking like this. See, this is the circle, this is how it should look like, but not yet finished. Take my very first chain I made here, right on top here, insert my hook, bring over my yarn, make a loop. So this is what I should get. Don't worry about this. Chain 3 again, 1, 2 and 3, there, right? So in each of the loops formed on top here, as you can see, we have 2 loops here. We'll make double crochets in each of them. So yarn over in my very first one, yarn over in the second one here, yarn over again in the same one. So yarn over inside that hook. See, yarn over, yarn over again, the same one, is going to be the outcome, so I will continue till the end. So here I'm at the end of my circle. See, we have each 2 loops forming. I made 11 double crochet, and I continued in each of the loop double crochet, double crochet, double, double, double. So I'm here at the end, yarn over again, into my last one, then I have the first chain here. From on top of this very first loop, the single one, insert my hook, bring over the yarn, it's not a basket, but it will form a round circle. So make chain of 3, yarn over, go into the very first one, so these are my 2 double crochets, these 2, and in the second one here, in this loop here, I'll make 1 double crochet, now yarn over, and in the next one I'll make 2 double crochet. One, the same one again, and the next one here, 1 double crochet, So you'll continue 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each of the loops till I see you again in the third round. So here I have my circle. I'll still continue. So I have 2 double crochet in one of the loop here, and here I have 1 double crochet in one. So when you start from this is the foundation, start from the very first row, you'll make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, but in this one you'll make 2 double crochets in each of the loop here, because this is the foundation, and we'll form our first row here. So 2 double crochets in each of the loops, and when you come to your second row, that's when you start your 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet till the end, where I have reached with my 2 double crochets here, 1 and 2, and my final one is 1 double crochet, very first chain in the beginning. I put my hook, insert my hook, yarn over, and I'll make a loop, right? So this is how it's going to look like in your second row. This one is foundation, remember. This is your first row, this is your second row. So we'll always chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and in the same one here, one double crochet, so we'll have 2 of them. Then yarn over in the second one here, 1 double crochet, then yarn over the second one here, third one, sorry, make 2 double crochet, yarn over again, the same one, see, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, yarn over again, one double crochet, so I will continue till I come to my end, and I'll show you how to close the ring. So here I'm coming end to my circle. So I've already made my 2 double crochet in here, so I'll continue till the end. So 1 double crochet, then the next one, 2 double crochet, the first one, the same one, again 1 double crochet, the last one, made one here, the same one, 2 double crochet, and we had our chain here, chain 3, so we had 1 2 3, and we come right on top there with the slip knot. So this is how it should look like. So to continue this, the 4th row, chain again 3, 1 2 and 3, and we'll continue the last row, and it's going to give us this type of work. As you see, this is a whole circle. I made some other examples which I have here, so you can see. I have multicolor one. This one is a little bit bigger. I have 1 2 3 4 rows, and this is my foundation. I make sometimes 11 stitches, but the chain base remains the same, 5 chain. I sometimes make 11 or 10. Then in each of the loops on top I make double crochets. When I finish the double crochets here, when I come to the end where I stitch together or loop together, I make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets. It's going to be 1 2 1 2 till the end, and again the same sequence in the next row and the next row, the same sequence. If you want to make a little bit bigger, you can make it. I have this one, and as usual a white one here, which I was making just later here. The small one here I have here. There, you can see. So this is how I make my circles, and if you have any comments, please comment below, like, share and subscribe. Until then, see you next time for my another video.